This is the DINE. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The DINE includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The DINE's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the DINE.
Stay out longer with the all-metal Zippo hand warmer engineered to last you a lifetime. It comes complete with a soft warming bag and plastic filling cup. The filling cup has fill marks to ensure the correct amount of fluid is used. Fill with Zippo premium lighter fluid to provide up to 12 hours of continuous heat that's virtually odorless. The lighter fluid soaks the cotton, which provides fumes for the catalytic burner, creating flame-free heat. The warming bag regulates heat and provides a soft, durable carrying case. And each hand warmer comes with a 2-year guarantee. Next time, take along our reusable pocket-sized furnace, the Zippo hand warmer.
This is the Bear Grylls card tool, built for all-in-one problem solving. A 1.5-inch fixed-blade fine-edge knife pulls easily from the tool for quick use. At the opposite end, a Phillips and a flat driver for tightening screws, and a compact ferrocerium rod for starting fires. Just use the back edge of the knife to quickly produce a spark. There's an integrated water-resistant LED task light, metric and standard rulers, and a convenient bottle opener. At just over 3 inches long, it's easy to carry every day. And thanks to its sturdy steel construction, you can sit on this tool without worrying it'll break.
Introducing the JAK, designed from the ground up to be the most versatile survival and bushcraft tool on the market. The JAK performs all the tasks required of a bushcraft knife, like cutting, chopping, and batoning. What makes the JAK different is the front cutting edge and mounting holes. The mounting hole allows you to attach a makeshift handle with paracord to utilize the front cutting edge of the knife. This allows you to chop with more force for less effort. The JAK was thoughtfully designed, made from durable and rust-resistant 440C stainless steel. JAK is designed to go hand in hand with its quick detach saw. The saw can hold up to 4 12-inch universal saw blades, which are lightweight and readily available. It also allows you to carry different blades for different cutting tasks. The handle is made of 6061 aluminum, and all hardware is made from stainless steel. To use the saw, detach it from the JAK sheath and use the saw adapter to attach the saw blade to the handle. The saw adapter also works with the knife. Mount the JAK to a handle and attach a saw blade to make a more efficient saw. By allowing you to use the strength of both arms, adding a handle makes the task faster and easier.
Our new patent-pending Tiny Survival card to your Tiny Survival guide for a unique last-ditch toolkit that fits in your wallet. Fashioned from US-made hardened 302 stainless steel, the Tiny Survival card contains 17 hard-to-improvise tools, including a mini spear point knife, an arrowhead, 3 needles, a finger drill, 6 fishing hooks, tweezers, a fully functional fine and medium saw, a button lure, and 2 micro harpoons. The Tiny Survival tool travels on a magnetic base, so you can use a tool and then replace it on the magnet for storage, making it easy to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the magnet ready for use. As you can see, the Tiny Survival Guide is much more than just another survival guide. It's a compact, everyday carry, credit card-sized life insurance policy in your pocket. This is the Tiny Survival Guide.
When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the Trail Shot microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the Trail Shot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The trail shaft filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The trail shaft filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000 liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water. At MSR, our goal is to design products for simplicity and functionality, giving you everything you need and nothing you don't.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the Spar tool. The Spar tool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The Spar tool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. It unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work.
Double stealth, hidden protection.
I'm Michael JANICH, founder of Martial Blade Concepts and co-host of the Best Defense TV series. One of the biggest challenges of carrying a weapon for personal defense is finding a carry method that works all the time, no matter the situation. The Paracord from Outdoor Edge solves this problem in a unique way by keeping a small but very potent knife instantly accessible at all times, even if you find yourself grabbed, choked, or in some other disadvantaged position. The Paracord combines a Paracord bracelet with a patent-pending buckle design that conceals a compact, extremely sharp hawkbill blade. The buckle holds the blade securely, yet allows it to be drawn quickly and easily when needed. Once it's drawn, the body of the bracelet forms the handle of the knife, allowing it to cut with surprising power for its size. A T-post on the buckle links to an adjustable length loop, so it can be put on the wrist safely with the blade secured in the buckle. The Paracord is available in several sizes and colors. The Paracord was developed by a professional bounty hunter to wear on the wrist as a handgun retention tool. It can be instantly accessed and drawn very quickly, even in the middle of a violent struggle, making it an effective blade in many close-quarter situations. While it's not intended as a primary weapon, in a self-defense situation, the Paracord offers advantages that no other knife can, advantages that could very well save your life.
Always have the edge with the new Paracord knife bracelet. Carries discreetly and deploys instantly in any situation.
We're BioLite, and today we're out to redesign a classic outdoor wearable and see it in a whole new light. Introducing the BioLite headlamp, an ultra-thin 330 lumen USB rechargeable headlamp featuring 3D slim fit construction that makes your hands-free light wildly capable and so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing it. The 3D slim fit construction is based on 3 dimensions of a perfect fit: a flush front, better balance, and smart fabrics. Seamlessly integrated housing merges the electronics directly into the band, creating an ultra-thin front that sits flush on your forehead with no bouncing. By reorienting the battery to the back, we keep the weight off the front of your face, reducing slippage and creating a more natural fit. And the entire headlamp features moisture-wicking fabric that keeps you cool and dry during activity. Clocking in at only 69 grams, the headlamp features 4 modes and the ability to control your light through easy dimmability. One-handed articulation enables your light to move with you without any disruption. With easy recharging via micro USB and runtimes of up to 40 hours, you can ditch the battery swaps and power up with the BioLite Energy ecosystem. Meet a headlamp that feels great, stays put, and gets the job done, wherever you may be.